What do you have to prove in order to recover damages in your motorcycle accident case? In order to recover damages, you have to prove that the other driver or drivers involved in your motorcycle accident were at fault. Fault means the driver did something wrong that a normal driver would not have done. For example, the other driver may have failed to yield, ran a stop sign, was speeding, or violated one of the other rules of the road. What should you receive for your damages? If you're able to prove that the other driver or drivers were at fault, then you are entitled to, number one, the damage to your motorcycle. This should be either the cost to repair the motorcycle, or if it's considered a total loss, then you should receive the fair market value plus sales tax. One of the other damages, which falls under the personal injury part of your case, is the reasonable and necessary medical expenses, both in the past and also in the future if you require them. Your loss of wages, so if you miss time from work because of your motorcycle accident. Also, if you have permanent problems that affect your ability to earn a living, then you should receive loss of earning capacity damages. Pain and suffering, which is your loss of quality of life, loss of enjoyment of life, physical and mental anguish and pain caused by the motorcycle crash. Also what we call loss of full mind and body. So if you do have a permanent injury that prohibits you from doing certain activities, that would be considered a loss of full mind and body. Along the same lines is disfigurement. So if you have scarring, that's also a permanent loss of your full mind and body. In serious injuries to a parent or a spouse, there's also what's called loss of consortium damages. So if your husband sustains serious injuries, then you can recover for those. Also, if you or your loved one sustain serious injuries, then a parent can recover for the parent-child relationship called loss consortium. In the cases of death, which we see far too often in motorcycle crashes, the damages are a little bit different. You have pre-death pain and suffering and loss of full mind and body. You also have loss for support of any dependents, if a spouse is a dependent or children are dependent. There's also loss of consortium, which we already talked about, but that's basically the loss of companionship, comfort, guidance, affection, all those kind of things. So hopefully this gives you at least a start in learning more about Iowa motorcycle accidents. You should also go ahead and request our book, The Iowa Consumer's Guide to Motorcycle Accidents. It reveals 10 myths about motorcycle accidents and also 9 insider secrets. So go ahead and request that book here on this page, and I think you'll find that it is useful. Thanks for watching.